Hi, lovely people. How are you? So, if you read from my description, I have a new subscription that I am going to be reviewing for you guys on my channel, on our channel, correction. So, this is by Focallure, if I am saying it right. And I know their company is based out of Florida. So let me read you up. So this is the Babebox by Focallure. And they did send this to me free for review. And it says on here that you will get 5 to 6 full-size products. I'm reading you everything from their website, if you guys can see. And it's $29 a month. It's cruelty-free, but now I don't have a coupon code. I did ask for a coupon code, but they said it's not necessary because whoever signs up will get their first subscription for free. So that's good. And does it say anything else about it? Let me see. It just says you can never have too much makeup. I told you 5 to 6 full-size products. Your subscription includes a monthly bag delivered of 5 to 6. Okay, I've said that already. All created just for you. So let's just get right into it. I will leave the link down below. It's a direct link. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. So this is what it looks like when you open it up right there. It says, oh, hey, check. Love your gift. Show us. Post and tag. Hashtag Babebox. And then this comes out and it says tips for the perfect unboxing right there. So there we go. All right. Let me see if it comes with a card. Does it say anything on the back? All right. All right. So I got 4 items. Now let me make sure. On the website it says 5 to 6 full-size items. So maybe they just sent me something like a sample box. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to pull out what I see. So we got these brushes right here. Like I said, it doesn't come with a card, so I don't know like how much these will be or anything. I don't see a brand on here, so I can't, maybe the brand is Focallure. I'll try to find out more information and leave it in the description box. So these are what it looks like. So this is like a very cheap. These are like, well, this fan brush is very cheap. I wouldn't use it. A lot of people use it for highlighters. I don't like fan brushes, so it just could be me. Let me feel these. Okay, so this is like for your eyes. They're just cheap eye brushes, All right. The next thing we have, this is an ultra matte long lasting lip color. So let's open it up. So it must be, okay, so this is from the Focallure. All right, let's open her up. And this says Kit 1. Okay, let's see what it's all about. All right, what does this say? I don't know. I have to open this thing up. Okay. All right, I'm going to pull it out. All right. Oh, no. All right, so that was my fault. I messed it all up. I didn't open it up right. So let me just, it came like this with the 3 lipsticks in there. So let me just show you what they are. So I'm going to swatch these. I guess this is 16, 10, and 8. Let me put my glasses on and see what it says. I don't know if it's like step 1 and 2. Okay, so this is Old Rose. That's number 8. Number 10 is, I don't know, something pink. And 16 is, I can't even see what these cheater glasses on. So I'm just going to swatch these. Let's just see what they look like. Okay, so this is definitely a pink color right there. Doesn't really have a scent, which is good. I like that. I don't know what's going on with my hair today. All right, so then this is shade 8. Let's put that right next to it. So this is like a deeper color. Okay, that's very, very pretty. I like that. So I guess you can always put down a darker shade. If you want to lighten it up or ombre look, you could put down the lighter shade of pink. And this looks like this is like a lip gloss. Let's see. Yeah, so this is like a lip gloss to put on top. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. I do like this a lot. I wouldn't wear this, but these two shades I definitely would wear. So I like that. The next thing we got is Glowing Jelly Gel, Body and Face by Putiator? I don't know. Putiator right there. What is this? This is Body and Face. Maybe an eyeliner? Glowing Jelly. Let's open her up too. Let's see what this is. I have no idea. I don't know. Would you guys pay $29 for this? If I have anything wrong, I will definitely put it in the description bar. So make sure that you check that out. And I can tell you more about this box. Because I only got 4 things, not 5 or 6. So maybe I'm not looking at the right thing. That could be very well. I do apologize if I am not. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is like first of all, the packaging is beautiful. What is this? Oh, this is one of them jelly thingamajiggies. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. So that looks like that. I'm gonna put it right. Oh, that is gorgeous. I put too much on my hand. So let's even it out so it doesn't look, because that was my fault. I took way too much. So I definitely wouldn't put this on my body, but I would definitely put this like right on the lid. This is gorgeous. I like that a lot. And I don't have anything to, let's wipe the rest on my arm. Okay, and the last thing I got is this Nutrition Tony Moly Real Avocado Mask Sheet Nutrition. Now I can get these at Amazon for like a pack of 12 or 24 for like maybe $13 or $14. So I don't know, maybe these are $1 a piece. So is this worth $29? So this would be like $1. These, I would probably get these off of Wish or something like that for $1. This is really pretty. I'm not sure how much these lipsticks are. They're very pretty. And this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I would get more of these. So, like I said, let me know what you think of this box. Would you pay $29? Do you think this is worth it? Have you heard of this subscription before? Let me know down in the comment section. Like I said, if I am looking at it wrong, I will definitely let you know down in the description bar, as well as I will pin a comment so that way you guys know. So, at the end of each video, I tell you guys what is on my face, because I do get questions a lot what I'm wearing, and I also do like a mini review, what I think of everything. So, in my other videos, it's the same thing. I do have the gingerbread palette on my eyes today, as long with the Juvia's Place blush. Now, these are, I think, like $7 or $8 a piece. They do come with a mirror, and it's only 2 of the pressed powders. This is the lighter shade right here. Does it say the shade name? I don't know, but it's the lighter shade. I am wearing the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I am wearing 2 ColourPop Bullet lipsticks in Liquid Courage, and then on top is Pinkies Up. So that's everything that I'm wearing. Let me know what you think of the subscription. Don't forget to check the subscription box. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not already to get into the giveaways. 12 days of giveaways from December 1st to December 12th. Make sure you subscribe, because all you have to do is be... Oh, God, excuse me. And I don't edit my videos, so that is staying in there. And I lost my whole thing, my concentrations from that sneeze. So anyway, like this video, subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, and as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.